Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming in here with another review. This is from thinktankphoto.com. It's the Video Rig 18. This thing's pretty amazing, and I love Think Tank Photo bags. You can go to thinktankphoto.com to see it, and they have a number of variations of numbers and sizes you can take and get as well if you need a bigger bag or a smaller bag. So we use these exclusively on the Chris Voss Show. We love the bags. We travel with them. We use it for our day packs. Sometimes I just use it for luggage. It's great, and they're beautifully well built, just the highest quality, highest durability that I've ever found in any of the bags we've used in the Chris Voss Show. So I can't recommend them much more than that. Jeez, wow. Okay, so it's got basically, it's designed to fit an assembled video camera rig, so you can just pull it right out of the rig and start shooting instantly. How about that? It's a durable rolling bag with a large customizable interior to fit most of the professional ENG video rigs. And it's designed to protect those rigs as well, so that's important. It's got ABS twin wall reinforced side walls that provide impact protection. It's got adjustable articulating and reinforced camera stabilizers to provide a custom fit for awkward camera rigs. So you can basically have your wild, setup however you've rigged your rig up, and this is designed to hold it all, and you just pull it in and out, and this way you go and shoot. It's got integrated zipper locks for the main compartment, front cable, and a combination lock for total bag security. It's heavily cushioned bolsters and 3-layer interior lining cradles your sensitive gear. It's got tie-down straps which secures your camera rig when transporting. It's got multi-stage space-saving handle that features no fuss, quick access, built with an insert channel and aluminum tubing for added strength and durability. YKK-RC fused zippers, ballistic nylon, metal hardware, nylon seat belt webbing, and closed cell PU foam are the highest quality materials that they put in here for the industry. Tripod mount on the side, you just use additional straps and put it in the area there and it will hold it. It's got adjustable lid straps to keep the bag open and accessible. I really love that feature. Front zippered pocket catch-all for large bulky items like cables, light jacket, magazines, and paperwork. Interior zipper pockets for tools, screws, bolts, filters, small accessories, whatever you want to put in there. It's got user replaceable retractable handle, wheels and wheel housings, feet, and kick plate. So you can totally replace these if they blow out on you, which I got to tell you is hard to do. I bang mine up against all sorts of different stuff, and it is crazy. This also has extra tall wheel housings to protect your bag from scrapes and scratches. I beat the crap out of mine, and my bag still almost looks like it's new. Custom designed, high performance, 80mm super quiet wheels with sealed ball bearings in them, and it's got a seam sealed rain cover that's inside it. You can pull it out of this little pouch and open up for downpour conditions. And it's got grab handles on all 3 sides for lifting the bag in and out of the car. Reinforced dividers that support heavy gear and maintain strength over time. Hyper-long reinforced rear corners for increased durability and punishment, especially when you're banging them against those curbs and stuff. Extra long zipper pulls that are easy to grab and quick to open, and a security tag that can be registered in case your bag's lost. They can go, hey, here's the serial number of this bag, and they can find you. Business card holder on top for identification. I always kind of love that. I always know, here's my bag. The exterior dimensions on this are 16.3 inches wide, 22.3 inches high, and 18 inches deep. And of course, like I said, you can get this in a variety of different sizes, both bigger and smaller, depending upon what you need. You can find everything. So go to thinktankphoto.com, check out the Video Rig 18. I got to tell you, we love these bags. I use them all the time, and they're the greatest bags in the world for my cameras when it comes down to it, in my opinion, and I'm not paid to say that. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.